Welcome back to Finnegan Begin Again. Today we're going to do something that I have been excited for since I got the car, and that is taking off the 1950s, 60s vinyl off of the seats and exposing the original upholstery so we can see what it looks like, see what was originally on here, see if we might be able to get something really close to replace it. And we're going to be doing it very slow and methodically because I want to save all of the original upholstery pieces, take them apart at the seams so I can recreate the patterns for them and use it on that replacement material, because I'm going to do my own reupholstery. This is my father, David. He is my inspiration for getting into cars. This is a muscle car man, a Chevy man. El Caminos are his thing. So with that, we'll get started. We'll start with the bottom and see what we've got underneath here.
We have an old car, his name is Finnegan. Rusty and dusty, a hunk of tin again. Fix him up, gonna make him great again. Bring back the life of Finnegan, begin again.
Okay, we're gonna cut the hog rings from the frame that's connecting the vinyl to the frame, and see if we can just unpeel it from the old frame. Thinking maybe inside of some of these springs we're going to find some mouse houses. It's like they've been stuffed with something that may not be original. I think this is the last one to undo, separate the first layer of vinyl that we found. Ooh. Never mind, keep finding more. Feeling something soft under here. Oh, it's a hole. Okay. Let's peel this first thing off. It's looks like it's the exact same layer underneath. Pull it out. Pull the old layer out. Is it self-attached? Let's see what this looks like. Okay. We can see why they
every hole.
Strange color. I don't know. That's not original to the car. It's just the padding. But I'm hoping that there's still a piece of that underneath. All right, let's get this layer off. Oh, original upholstery. Okay, can you peel? Okay, good. There's still a lot of it left. Hey, the original stitching.
Wore out. Original.
Oh, they've taken a bit of cushion or something to cover the hole before they
That's
reupholstered it. Yeah. Well, this
That's
got
spring.
really well used before it got reupholstered. Okay.
A double bubble.
A double mint gum wrappers.
Double bubble. Wigglers. I think a lot of your cushions is fun to draw over.
Here's what we have for the original upholstery. So obviously well loved. Bottoms wore a hole. But it looks like it's pretty much all there. Enough of it to make a pattern off of, at least for the bottom. You can see the little bit of detail that it had on it. I'm sure there was a matching one over here. Yeah, you can just barely see the remnants of it there. Okay, this is good news. Now we're going to take apart the backs. So here's the seat frame. Backs are attached directly to it. So we've got a hog ring holding it in over here through. We'll see what kind of fitting that is. And then over here, you can't see if it's a bolt and nut that's coming through. And then here in the center, looks like it's just pressure. Yeah, it's just once this comes out and separates, the nut's just gonna pop out of its hole there in the center, which we'll see when we take it off. So let's do the easy side first.
The easy side?
Yeah.
This may be strip over something.
Another hog ring.
You put it easier that way?
It should be cotter pins, but no. Let's see if we can't hook it and pull it. There we go. Yep. All right. One removed. Let's see about the bolt on the other side. It's
Like about 9/16.
It's free. No, it's not free spinning. So yeah, let's get some. Oh, okay. Penetrating foot. Just get on vinyl.
Okay, heat.
Yeah, I got heat. There. Just need you. Let's see which one's original. Now that is not get it on. Here we go. Okay, all right, so frame is free, that back is free. Let's take the sides off, yeah. Let's do that one over here. I don't care about this one, so I'm just gonna rip it.
Yeah, you gotta get these screws out here first.
I was gonna say those. Those are the little metal landing spots, soften the back when it comes down. Actually, it's a nail. Oops, sorry.
There's 5 little slots in it.
Well, flathead screws are the best.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at that pretty original red.
Original?
Well, original red.
Original.
Looks like it's just all nailed. Yeah, it's a nail. Ooh, broken glass. Crispy, crunchy vinyl. That's what we're breathing. And broken glass.
The window broken in or something too small.
Yeah.
It's staples.
Okay, so we'll just need to remove these nails to take that cloth off.
That's the nails in here.
So I'm gonna pop those out. So now we're gonna get the backs removed. Show you one and then we'll do the other one. Maybe it was the name of the. I wonder if it was the name of the original owner.
No, it's front right.
Oh, front, right. Oh, genius, genius.
This is the Joker's.
Okay, so we do not have the original upholstery that would have covered this. That's been torn away. But hopefully it'll be on the other one. Or, you know, we'll just have to figure it out. Okay. So it's got that same piping up the center. And should be able to make a pattern off of that.
That piping to match that piping.
Yeah, get it in the right spot. Okay, we'll do the next one and be back with you. Okay, we have the other seats cover off, and luckily we have the covering flap for this side. So I'll be able to somewhat put together what they did to wrap it around there. If you look up inside, it actually, I don't know if you can see, but the springs up in there actually look like they're in really good condition. All right, so now it's just a matter of taking apart the seams gently so I can make a pattern.